Seated stretches can give you immediate relief from back pain, which is great, especially when you're stuck at a desk all day or just can't conveniently get down to the floor. I've been teaching fitness for 39 years, and I've helped thousands of students with their back pain, and I've also healed my own sciatic issues, disc issues, and arthritis. In this video, I'm showing you 3 seated stretches that you can do right now, plus a bonus stretch at the end that my students absolutely love. Before we dive in, let me tell you what these stretches will do for you. You'll release tension in your upper, middle, and lower back. You'll find immediate relief from muscle tightness and pressure on your sciatic nerve. You'll be able to do these right at your desk 2 to 3 times a day. You'll feel better during the stretches, not just after. First, let's sit with your feet flat on the floor. My stool is a little bit high for me. You actually want to have a seat where your legs are horizontal. Lock your wheels if you're on a wheelchair. Place your feet wide so you feel stable. And you're going to place your hands. You can layer your hands behind your head and then move your hands back by about an inch. Relax your shoulders down. And then bring your head back to your hands. Notice I did not tilt my chin up or down. I just brought my head back. Now your head is more in line with your spine than in typical screen watching posture. From here, we're just going to lift your chest to the sky. Reach the elbows down and back and lift your chin up. Take a deep inhale. And exhale and release. And you can choose to just come to neutral or bring those elbows in. Let's do it 2 more times. Reach up, chest up, chin up, elbows down and back. You can let your hands move back more. And then come to neutral, or if you choose, bring your elbows in. We'll do 1 more. Open and stretch. Good. And then come to neutral or bring your elbows in. Excellent. We're going to do a variation of that also for your upper body. For this one, you're going to put your arms out to the side. Keep your feet planted wide. Turn 1 palm up and 1 palm down, and then rotate as far as you can in that direction. You want to stay tall, and in all my seated stretches, you want to be up on your sit bones. You don't want to be rounded back. So find your sit bones and sit up tall. Let's continue. Just flip your palms, alternating and alternating and alternating. If it's not comfortable for you to have your arms all the way up at shoulder height, bring them forward by a couple inches and down by a couple of inches. And as you do this, you could reach your fingers out and away from you, working your shoulder rotators, helping your back, releasing tension. Excellent. And relax. So moving down from there, let's do a stretch for our middle back. This one is a seated thread the needle stretch. You're going to plant your feet wide, and I'll start with your right arm. Plant your right arm on your right leg, close to the knee. Turn your fingertips in. You're going to reach that left arm up to the sky, stretch up, look up at your fingertips. And then as you exhale, you're going to thread the needle. Reach your left hand between your right arm and your body. Reach your fingertips back, look back, shoulders away from the ears. You feel that nice spiral side stretch, torso stretch. Inhale, reach up and lengthen. Exhale. Nice, slow exhale. Do that again. Inhale, reach up, stretch, touch the sky. Open your chest and shoulders. Spread your fingers and exhale and bring it down. Excellent. And let's come to the other side. So plant your left hand inside the leg, fingertips pointing in. Reach that right arm up, stretch up, spread your fingers, shoulders away from the ears, and exhale, reach and look back. Inhale, stretch up, touch the sky. Exhale, reach and look back. 1 more time. Inhale, stretch up, lengthen. And exhale. Here, lengthen from your right sit bone to the right fingertips. You feel that? Nice work. Come center, and let's come back up to sitting tall. This next one is a total game changer, especially for people with bulging disc issues, sciatic issues, and SI joint issues. I'm going to show you 3 modifications just in case you can't bend as much. So first, fully modified. Start with your right foot away from you. The knee is still soft though. And then you're just going to cross your left ankle over that right leg. Your left knee is bent. Remember, you're always up on those sit bones. That's fully modified. Partially modified, keep your right foot away from you and bring your left ankle up on that right thigh. Again, you want to be able to sit up tall. If bringing your leg up makes you have to round your lower back, then put your leg lower down again. We want to be up on our sit bones. And you want to feel the stretch. I'm going to turn around here. You want to feel this stretch deep in that left glute hip area. And if you don't feel the stretch yet, and your foot's out here, try bringing your foot directly in underneath your knee. And then if you still don't feel the stretch in your piriformis muscle or down here, your IT band, see how it feels if you reach your sit bones toward the back of the chair. If you notice, I went from a more neutral spine to arching my back or anterior pelvic tilt, reaching your sit bones back. So then that might help you feel the stretch. If you're super bendy, you might need to come up onto your tippy toes. So I guess that's 4 different options for you, both feet low or gradually coming up. Either way, just finding this stretch, you should feel a release in here. Your piriformis muscle can put pressure on your sciatic nerve. So you want to sit here for about 30 seconds, maybe up to 60, but 30 should help a bit. And then go to the other side. Again, fully modified is foot away from you, cross the ankle over. Partially modified is foot away from you, bring the foot up on the thigh. No modification is with that lower shin vertical. And if you're bendy and you want a more advanced version, you come up to your tippy toes. But all of us are staying tall in our torso, reaching our sit bones back. And then take deep, slow breaths, holding for about 30, maybe 60 seconds. And our bonus stretch, it is a lunge on your chair. You're going to sit and turn to one side. So put just your left leg on the chair. You're going to put your right foot down. Put the knee pointed to the floor so that the thigh is vertical and your toes are underneath. You're sitting up nice and tall. What you want to be able to do, you want to have this side free so you can squeeze your glutes and tuck your tailbone under, lengthening through the front of your hip. So we're going to be here. Reach your knee down. Inhale, reach and stretch that same hand up. Push the heel of your hand to the ceiling. Reach your knee to the floor and then just relax it back down. Do that again. Inhale, reach long and stretch. And exhale back down. Good. We're going to do 2 more times, and I'm going to show you a different variation with the leg back. So this wouldn't work in a pencil skirt if you're at work. But with the leg back, inhale, reach long and stretch from heel to the heel of the hand. Exhale, and you can soften everything. 2 more times. You're either reaching your knee to the floor or reaching your heel back. And we're all reaching that hand up. And release. Excellent. And we're going to go to the other side. So put your entire right leg on your chair. I'm on a wobble stool, so my balance is a little bit more awkward. The first version, have your knee pointed to the floor. You're supported up on that toe. Tuck your tailbone under, lengthen through your hip. Inhale, reach long and stretch. Knee down, hand up. Exhale, release. Inhale, lengthen, push out your hand, reach out the knee. And release, good. And you can optionally straighten that leg back. Still try to tuck your tailbone under. Inhale, long and stretch. Feel that you're stretching through the whole front of your torso and release. You're also releasing your hip flexors, which will give ease to your posture and your lower back. And release all the way down. Excellent. Thank you. To get the most from these stretches, always breathe deeply and slowly. It enhances the stretch, releases stress, and activates your vagus nerve. Do them 2 to 3 times daily, especially when you feel tension building. Remember that stretching should feel good, not painful. Always listen to your body, and listen to your body every day because it's different. And be consistent. These work best when done regularly. These stretches are just scratching the surface of what you need for back care. Stretching is just one pillar of my 5-pillar system for complete back health. I've got back pain and health tips in my twice-a-month email. You can join below and check out my next video to help you get started on a full program for yourself.